It wasn't a real exciting day out in the woods, but I got some pictures. Start you off with some turkeys walking around in Swan Point. Gadwalls are closely related to mallards and very much look like female mallards from a distance. The black cap kind of gives them away, but also the fact that they spend more time upside down feeding than the mallards is also a good sign. A nice close-up, good 20 seconds worth, of a junco sitting in a small bush in the North Burial Ground. The swans aren't native, and so I don't take pictures of them that often. But on a quiet, slow day, they were pretty much the only thing around over at the Seekonk River. So I got a picture of a pair of swans feeding. They spend a lot of time with their heads under the water. It's kind of interesting to watch.